how to buy tank battle tokens. Okay, so tank battle is a project or a game that will be released really soon, and it has a lot of potential, and please watch as many or every content that you can find about this, and then decide if you want to get into this or not. Okay, do your own research, then head back to this, because this video is just about how to buy the token. All right, and this here would work for either buying the token to hold it, and then when the token goes up you get to sell, or just buying to get into the game. It works for both ways. Okay, and here is the chart. As you can see here, it's going down and ups, and I would advise you to just wait for some minutes or even days if it's possible, depending on you of course, to buy on its lowest here. All right, and if we went to 1 month, because this token is out for less than a month right now, and as you can see here, it's all-time high in here, and here we are. Okay, and I hope it gets to double or something like that after the game goes live. So now let's head to the market and let's see where we can buy. As you can see, there is this one here, but in my case I used PancakeSwap. Okay, it's a decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain. All right, so head to pancakeswap.finance. All right, the first time you open PancakeSwap, you need to connect your wallet. All right, I use MetaMask wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you'll find a video in my channel about how to create and set up your wallet. Okay, now after you're connected, just go to trade and exchange, and here you are. So here, depending on what cryptocurrency you've got on your wallet. Okay, so just click on here and automatically it will show you the tokens that you have on your wallet. To select them, in my case, let's say, or give an example with BUSD, and you can click on max to use the maximum amount of that crypto that you've got on your wallet, or type in manually. For example, let's say this, and now choose the cryptocurrency that you want, or the token that you want to swap to. Okay, click on here and type in the name of tank battle. So as you can see, it doesn't appear. So what you need to do is just head back to here and copy the contract, and let's head back to here and paste it, and here it is. Okay, click import, and I understand, and import. Now as you can see, it appears here. Okay, so this is the amount that you will be getting if you are going to swap with 100 BUSD. You'll get this amount of TBL, all right, which is tank battle. All right, now in my case here, I don't have any balance in here, so it's gray like this, but for you, you will see that it gives you the opportunity to swap or enable. Just click on it and click OK, and the process will go through. But after the process goes through and you don't find TBL on your MetaMask wallet here, all right, so you just need to add the token into your MetaMask by heading back to here and go to this little icon here and click on it and add token. Now if we head back to here, you can see TBL has been added. All right, so this is it. I hope you liked this video and this explanation. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.